Stepping out of the spotlight. Understanding, out of the limelight. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard before, out of the limelight. This expression is quite picturesque and carries an interesting backstory. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're just curious about English idioms, you're in the right place. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Out of the limelight refers to someone or something that is no longer receiving a lot of public attention, fame, or spotlight. Imagine an actor who used to be at the peak of their career, always in the news and admired by fans, suddenly not being talked about as much. They've moved out of the limelight. It's about transitioning from being the center of attention to a more private, less noticed existence. The term, limelight, comes from a type of stage lighting used in the 19th century. Limelight was created by heating a piece of lime in a flame, producing a bright light that was then directed onto the stage. This made the actors more visible to the audience, literally putting them in the spotlight. So, when someone is out of the limelight, it means they're no longer in that bright, center stage kind of visibility. This phrase is often used in discussions about celebrities, public figures, or anyone who has had their moment of fame. However, it can be applied more broadly. For example, after retiring, the athlete preferred staying out of the limelight. The company was out of the limelight after the initial hype about its product died down. It's a versatile expression that can describe a wide range of situations involving a shift away from public attention. To help you better understand how to use out of the limelight, here are a few more examples. The once popular singer has been out of the limelight for years, focusing on her personal life. After the scandal, the politician stayed out of the limelight, avoiding public appearances. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, always indicating a move away from being the focus of attention. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, out of the limelight. English is full of such vivid expressions that make the language rich and interesting to learn. Remember, stepping out of the limelight isn't always a bad thing. Sometimes, it's a choice for a quieter, more peaceful life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful videos on English language learning. Happy learning!